Well, hi everyone, and greetings from Northern Michigan. This is Bob the Science Guy. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Shamrock Bank's Observatory in case you're interested in subscribing. This is a small observatory in Northern Michigan. It's an official site for the Minor Planet Center, where we study asteroids, comets, and near-Earth objects. But there's also an educational aspect to the Shamrock Bank's Observatory, and that's what I want to talk to you about now. Now, for those of you that are looking at astronomy websites and maybe are new to the hobby, I think you'll like this channel because we're going to have two playlists on this channel that may be of interest to you. The first is going to be to learn the sky. We're going to go over all 88 known constellations, including some collaborations with my friends down in Australia to get the southern skies. Now, the interesting thing about the sky is that it's actually a large clock and calendar. The position of the stars tell you the month. The phase of the moon tells you the day of the month, and the position of the sun tells you the hour of the day. We're going to learn to read all of those signs and recognize the 88 known constellations. And I'll do that with very simple equipment that you may already have laying around the house, starting with your Mark I eyeball. Now, another playlist that I would like to put up is Lessons Learned in Astronomy. These are the mistakes that I've made in the 3 years that I've been an amateur astronomer. Now, one of the problems that you run into when you think about getting into astronomy is you look at these huge telescopes that, you can see everything with, but are very difficult to use. And because they're quite challenging sometimes, many people just kind of lose interest because they can't make them work the right way. I'm going to start with the Mark I eyeball, and then we're going to go to binoculars and how to select a good set of astronomical binoculars. I see Otis is grooming himself there in the back. Then we're going to start looking at the most important aspect of using telescope astronomy, and that is selecting a mount. Then we're actually going to look at the different types of telescopes and how to select the one that meets your needs based on what you want to do with it. So until then, this is Bob the Science Guy signing out from Northern Michigan. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I appreciate your support of this channel and our efforts to build a dome for the observatory and get additional equipment. So take care and stay well.